What is up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, I'm Kyla. This is my makeup channel. I realized that if you're new here, you don't know much about me at all, obviously, because you're new. But I'm Kyla. I work at Sephora. I have another job, and I volunteer, and I'm in school, and hopefully gonna finish soon. Hopefully. But I really love to make YouTube makeup videos. That's like my big passion. So today we are doing my latest gratis. I honestly have no idea what episode we're on. It's in the little bar. It's either above or below depending on what you're watching on. So this is my latest gratis haul kind of deal. I don't really like calling it a haul because it's not things that I purchase myself. Gratis is something that you get for free if you work at Sephora. Let's jump in. I'm just gonna pull things out. The first thing is a new product from Clinique. Well, this isn't new, but this is. This is the Clinique ID Dramatically Different Moisturizing Lotion Plus. And this is the AHA little pod thing for it. So how this works is there are 3 of these. You have the lotion, the gel, and the jelly. Yeah. The lotion and the gel are yellow and the jelly is clear. And so these come normally, like you can get this, you can get it in a squeeze tube or with a pump, but they just launched this new thing with the Clinique ID. So there's different like pods and capsules that you can put in your lotion, and it's a serum basically. So there's like an AHA one, there's a vitamin C one. Let me do that for you so I can kind of like tell you about all of them. Okay, so there's a green one, which is for calm and comfort. So, okay, so the moisturizing lotion, which is for very dry to dry combination skin. That's me. I'm mostly dry in like the winter months, and then I'm combo in the summer. And then oil, and then there's the gel, which is oil control gel, combination oily to oily skin. And then there's the hydrating jelly, which is all for all skin types, but I feel like that's best for oily skin types. And then the little cartridges, which is this one. There's this one, which is for pores and uneven texture, so it retexturizes and reduces the look of pores. I get a lot of bumps in like texture, so that's why I picked this one. Then there's the green one, which is for irritation. It's calm and comfort. I definitely could have and probably should have gotten that one. And then there's the orange one, which is fatigue. It says this energizes and revive glow, but I'm allergic to vitamin C. It doesn't sit well with my skin, so I really want to do that to like brighten up my skin, but I just can't. It'd be a waste. And then the white one is for uneven skin tone, so that evens out the tones and brightens. And again, I was kind of afraid that that would have vitamin C in it. And then the purple one is for lines and wrinkles, so it smooths lines and just plumps. So I bet that would be really nice as well. So this is the one I got. And I'm going to use this summer because I feel like this isn't, I've used this before like at work, and I don't feel like it's going to be heavy enough for me right now. So I'm saving that one for the summertime. The next thing is the Milk Hydro Blur Primer. I'm sorry, I couldn't wait. I used this twice. It says it's a grip primer and base adherent, and it's phenomenal. It's absolutely wonderful. You put this on, and do you guys remember the ColourPop primer that just launched not long ago, the gripping one? This is similar, but it's not as gripping. I've used that one too, and that's too sticky in my opinion. Like, it makes your skin look nice eventually, but like to work your way up to that, it's just not ideal. You say like you're using a sponge like I do, you can't move the product around very easily with that because it's so sticky that the product just sticks to it. You can't really blend it easily, so I think this is a little bit more smooth. It's not as sticky as that one. It's still sticky, just not as sticky. And plus it's hydrating, so like you really can't go wrong. The next product is IT Cosmetics Confidence in a Gel Lotion. It's oil-free for all skin types. It's a hydro-plumping, skin-transforming, weightless moisturizer. This is really lightweight as well because they have like the Confidence in a Cream, which, spoiler alert, we got in BOXYCHARM this month if you're a BOXYLUX member. But this is just like super like light, like that's not gonna be enough for me at all. Maybe in the summer when I'm like on like race to your side, but that's not gonna work for Kyla. My friends that are oily really like that though. Let me go ahead and do all these little packets. So when brands come, they leave packets sometimes, and you could take them, like it's fine. So Volition is a brand that left us one. This time they left us the Prismatic Luminizing Shield, which is an SPF 50. It's a sunscreen basically, but it has some luminosity to it. That's really all it is. And then the Helix AM PM Eye Gel. This has like snail something or other in it, so it's gonna really like help the under eye area, and it's okay to use under makeup as well. And then this is what I was most looking forward to, the Turmeric Brightening Polish. This is wonderful. I'm gonna have to make a video about this because it's phenomenal. You put this on, like, I mean, they tested it, they showed us it on our hands, and you can go to your Sephora and ask them to like put it on your hand and try it. You put this on, and it's like a brownish in color, and it is gritty like an exfoliant. And it has turmeric in it. And so, only do it on one hand. You wet it first, and then put that on, and you let it sit for like 10 minutes or so. And then you like rub it to exfoliate, and then when you rinse it off, it will literally be so much brighter than it was to begin with. Like, it's phenomenal. So, like, go get a sample of this because it's really good. 10 out of 10. Next is from Glam Glow. They left a Super Mud Cleansing Treatment Packet. So that's the one that's in the white bottle. It's a gray, like, charcoal-y mask. It's really good for pores and blemishes. You can use it as spot treatment. You can use it as an all-over mask. It's going to help the skin just kind of, like, take all the junk out, basically, because it is charcoal. And then the Thirsty Mud is a hydrating mask. It's the blue one. It does what it says. It's a hydrating mask, so you can use it on its own and then dab it off, or my favorite way to use it is to take like it as my last step in my routine at night. So like I'll cleanse, and then I'll tone, and then I'll use my serum and my oil, and then my moisturizer, and then I'll put that last as like an overnight mask. And it just, in the morning when you wake up, you're going to be so much more hydrated than you would otherwise, because your girl's really dry right now. So yeah. Next is the Glam Glow Gravity Mud Firming Treatment. This one, I don't know how much this works. It's supposed to firm, lift, tighten, tone, and sexy contours. It's supposed to do that. I think it's mostly just for like play. Like when you put this on, it they have like a different colors too, and like glitter and whatnot, and then it just looks kind of cool when you peel it off. That's basically what it is, the peel off mask. And then my favorite, it's a Glam Glow Star Potion. I love this oil. I have it in my, I keep my skincare in my other room, but I have it in there. But this one's a little baby one, and it's cute, but I really love this. You do have to shake it though. Like, shake it, because that charcoal will separate. It has charcoal in it, turmeric in it. It's a great oil, especially if you're acne prone. It really helps control breakouts, like, tremendously. Like, I really see a difference when I use that. Yeah. Next, that was all the little full packets I got. Then I got this, which I already have. This is the Ole Henderson Banana Bright. This is a Banana Bright Ole Henderson Face Primer. It has vitamin C in it. I know. I tried it. I was like, you know, I want to see if it works. It's really pretty on, but it does burn me out because it's vitamin C. No. But it's really pretty though. It makes the skin look so smooth and hydrated, and like it just makes your foundation look amazing. I got it from Influencer. That's how I got it before. And then we got this Marc Jacobs mascara, which I'm pretty sure I got before. I don't know why we got this. This is just like a random thing. But it's the Velvet Noir mascara. I've used this before too. I had a mini of it a while ago. And then I got this goodie bag from Smashbox. So let's get it right now. Ooh. So first of all, there's candy. It's a good thing I haven't had this for a while because it's could have gone bad. There's Hershey's Kisses. I love Hershey's Kisses. I love any kind of kisses, honestly. And then there's like, okay, so our brand rep from Smashbox is also the brand rep for Glam Glow. So if you don't know how that works, it's if you were a brand rep and you go to Sephora, you can have like one skincare and one makeup brand. You can't do like two. I don't think you can do two makeup brands or two skincare brands. But you can either just do one, or you can do one makeup and one skincare. And so our Glam Glow one is the same one as Smashbox. So this one has some Smashbox and a little bit of Glam Glow. So it has the Smashbox. I have so many of these. I have like, this is now like my third mini, and I have one big one, and I'm just going to have to give one to like my mom and my sister, because I'm not going to, first of all, I don't really like that mascara. I have it right here. I've used it. Where'd it go? Right here. have it. I don't like it. It's too, it doesn't do anything for my lashes. Like, I put it on and it'll like kind of lengthen, but my lashes look spidery. I don't like that. No, no, no. Oh, I just got it up here. Dang. Oh boy. Okay, anyways, we're just gonna pretend like that's not there. Okay, you don't see anything. And then we got the primer water. This is a cool little bottle. It's like a teeny baby one. I've used this before. Oh, I don't think I should have done that. Oh, yeah. So it's just a mist, and it's a spray, and it's a primer. I have it right here. I went through a little one, and then I bought a big one, I think during Oldest 21 Days beauty or something like that. And now I still have the big one because I don't use it that often. It's nice to have. And then my favorite is Primerizer. I used it today. And I got another baby one. I think I have a little big one. And I just ordered one from Ulta for the 21 Days of Beauty as well. So, go get you one. Because this is one of my favorite primers of all time. And so that's why I have backups. And then another Glam Glow Super Mud. So we got a little packet. Now we have a little baby one. This one has like 0.24 ounces or 7 grams. The full size is 1.7 fluid ounces or 1.7 ounces for $59, so we can get the 3.4 for $79. I know, don't you just love how I just know that? But people literally ask me that all the time. And then, last but not least, my favorite thing that I haven't yet used. I've used it at work a lot, but I haven't used mine. I got the Urban Decay brow thingies, the new brow blade and the brow finish. So I got the one that's the pencil on one side and the pen on the other. And I'm so excited to use this. And then I got the brow finish in Ozone, which is the clear one. They have like a glittery one too, but I don't know why you'd want that. But I got the clear one. And I'm so excited to use it. So excited. So, yes. So we got like so many goodies this time. Like, I am so impressed. Like, so many nice things. It's crazy. I'm always, like I say in every video, I'm so grateful to have this kind of opportunity and to be able to review things and share with you all and share with my clients at Sephora, like everything that works for me, doesn't work for me. Here's why it doesn't work for me. It could work for you because, you know, I'm not everyone. Things that work for me are not going to work for everyone. It's just how it works, okay? So, yes, that being said, I can finally put these away because I've had these for a little bit now. But, yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, because, you know, like, that's just how you know when I post new videos, and I'm a good time, so hello, what are you doing? Don't forget to like this video as well if you like watching gratis videos and videos about free stuff, because I do. I want to see them. Like, what are you getting? What's the new stuff? Come on, tell me. I need to know if I need to go get it. And check out my Instagram, it's at Make Up My Smile. I post way more on there than I do on here, like, way more. So, yeah. Alright, you guys. I will see you guys next time. Bye!